Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is March 3rd, 2014, first trading day in March. We had a wonderful day today, just a killer day today. 7 wins with the auto trader, 5 wins in the trading room. And basically what I thought is I would go over each one of the markets with you one by one and show you the trades. First, let's take a look at gold. Now this is the auto trader's only loss. It took a long right here on this break of the modified 15. It was a 12-tick trade from entry to its high. Then it came back and it took this strategy momentum pullback. The retracement failed, and that provided the auto trader with its only loss for the day. Now, it's hard for me to watch more than the Russell and crude, but gold had some wonderful entries, just wonderful additional setups. It had this bounce off the 50. Now, this is something we would have taken on a discretionary basis. The auto trader did not take it because the modified 15 was red. But this was a terrific trade for us to take in the trading room, just not watching gold. And that was a 16-tick trade. And then this was really the stellar setup of the morning, or one of the stellar setups in the morning. Sweep right through the modified 15 and a 26-tick winner. So gold was really good to trade today, and just didn't have the opportunity to trade it because we're looking at other markets. But the auto trader had 1 win and 1 loss on gold. And that was the toughest market. Now let's take a look at, we did not have any trades on gold in the trading room. Now let's take a look at the Russell. Now I took a pre-market short, very bad short. Started off March in the morning with a terrible trade, break of the 50 with a order flow stochastic and momentum with us, but the modified 15 flat. Not a great way to start the month, but came back nicely. Now the auto trader took this trade right here. That was a 33-tick trade that the auto trader took short. We took this bounce off the 50 to the downside, just like the auto trader did. We both were in the same trade. And the trade ultimately went 10 ticks. Looked like it went more than that. Let me just check that again. 120 ticks. I'm sorry, 120. Then we had this nice break of the 15, break of the 50. 15 and 50 were red, and we got 6. Unfortunately, this was a break of the 50 to the downside, but the 50 was green. We can't trade it. Then we had a break to the upside of the 50. While it was red, we can't trade that. But then finally, everything synced, and we had a trade to the downside. Break of the 50 and the 15. 15 was red, 50 was red. Candle was outlined in pink, which means that order flow and momentum were with us on the trade. Down we went for 13 ticks. And I think that was it for the Russell. And crude, some very, very nice trades on crude. We had this break of the 15. Now, didn't have time to get this bounce. This was early in the morning. A lot of people in the trading room got this. This is a great trade to the upside. But we did get this break of the 50. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum with us on the trade. The 50 and the 15 were down, and that went for 24 ticks to the downside. Could not get, this is a pit opening move that just shot through the modified 15, which was yellow. We only trade red and red, could not get that move to the downside. Then we took this bounce off the 50 to the upside for 6. And that was our day. So, trading discretionary. We had 5 wins and 1 loss. On crude, we had a 6-tick win. We had a 24-tick win. On the Russell, we had 20. We had 6. And we had 13. And I had that one 10-tick pre-market loss. Now, this month, we're going to calculate our trading strategy and our price targets a little bit differently. Not our trading strategy, but our price targets. We're not going to trade 3 contracts and 5 contracts. We're just going to trade 4. We're going to take 2 off at a first target on the Russell of 5, 2 off at a first target of 6 on crude and gold, and then 2 off at 10 to close the trade. We have so many the majority of our trades go between 10 and 20 ticks. So to take a 10-tick trailer, actually, I think winds up costing us a lot of money. By closing the trade, taking off our second lot at plus 10, and bringing our trader to break even when we get a first target, I think we're going to have a much better equity curve on the number of winners that we get. So on 4 contracts today, we made $740. The auto trader had 8 trades, 7 wins and 1 loss, and made $760. I mean, the auto trader is doing incredible. For the month of February, we're going to post the profit on the website, on our spreadsheet. It only traded, I think, 6 or 7 sessions, actually 7 or 8 sessions, and it made close to $4,000. And it's off to a roaring start here. We just about equaled each other in terms of our profit and the auto trader profit. So we're off to a great start in March. So if you're interested in a free trial in the room, just come over to www.rightlinetrading.com. You can sign up for a free trial there. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. And you can also call us at 1-855-765-6681. If you're interested in any information about the auto trader, you can also give us a call or send us an email. Hope you have a great afternoon. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.